to the online English class. How are you all? I hope you all are good. Kids, before starting our class, first I would like to tell about etiquette. Our first etiquette, raise your hands if you want to ask something. Children, you should always raise your hands if you want to ask something. Next, wait for your turn to give any answer. Children, you should always wait for your turn to give any answer. I hope you all will follow these good habits in your daily life. Now, let's revise some GK questions. Children, tell me, what is the name of our district? Very good. Name of our district is Lakhimpur Kheri. Speak with me. Name of our district is Lakhimpur Kheri. Next question, which is our national bird? Tell me, what is the answer? Very good. Our national word is peacock. Speak with me. Our national word is peacock.
Children, here is your Hindi homework. In Hindi, you have to write "अ" की मात्रा वाले शब्द.
Now let's read some sight words. Look at this sight word. Tell me, which sight word is this? Was. Repeat after me. Was. Which sight word is this? Was. Now, see this sight word. Tell me, which sight word is this? Has. Has. Repeat after me. Has. Okay. Now see this sight word. Tell me,
Which side word is written on the screen?
you. You. Speak with me. You.
Okay. Children, here is your maths homework. You have to do this work in your notebook.
Children, we had learned the names of flowers in previous classes. Today we will revise their spellings once again. Children, I know you all love flowers. We see them everywhere on plants and trees. They are colorful and look very pretty. We use flowers for decoration and we use them for fragrance also. They are used for making medicine also. Children, now let's revise the name of some flowers. Now look at this flower. Tell me, which flower is this? Rose. Children, rose is a very beautiful flower. It is found in many colors like red, yellow, pink, etc. Children, rose flower has a beautiful fragrance. Roses are used for making rose water, perfumes, rose petal jam, and also for decorative purposes. Do you know what is the spelling of rose? Tell me. Very good. R-O-S-E, rose. Speak with me. R-O-S-E, rose. See this flower. Tell me, which flower is this? Lily. Children, lily is also very beautiful flower. The fragrance of this flower is really beautiful, and this flower is usually used as a symbol of peace. It is also used in cooking. Tell me, what is the spelling of lily? L-I-L-Y, lily. Repeat after me. L-I-L-Y, lily. Look at this flower. Tell me, which flower is this? Lotus. Children, lotus is the national flower of India. Tell me, which is our national flower? Lotus. Lotus grows in freshwater ponds and lakes. Children, lotus is often used in temples for religious purposes. It is light pink or white in color. Tell me, what is the spelling of lotus? L-O-T-U-S, lotus. Speak with me. L-O-T-U-S, lotus. See this flower? Tell me, which flower is this? Jasmine. Children, jasmine are really very beautiful flowers. They have very good fragrance. Jasmine are used in making oils. They have very sweet fragrance. That's why they are used in making oils. Do you know what is the spelling of jasmine? J-A-S-M-I-N-E, jasmine. Speak with me. Jasmine. Jasmine. Look at this flower. Tell me, which flower is this? Sunflower. Children, sunflowers are very beautiful and bright flowers. Can you see that? It turns its head toward the sun. Its color is yellow. Children, sunflower seeds are also used to make oils. Tell me, what is the spelling of sunflower? S-U-N, sun, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, sunflower. Speak with me. S-U-N, sun, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, sunflower. Look at this flower. Tell me, which flower is this? Tulip. Which flower is this? Tulip. Children, tulip are curved, shaped and very colorful flowers. They are found in different colors. They are used to give gifts. Many of us and give flower for gifts, and tulip is one of the flowers that we used to present someone. They are grown in huge fields which add beauty to the nature. Tell me, what is the spelling of tulip? T-U-L-I-P, tulip. Speak with me. T-U-L-I-P, tulip. I hope you all will revise all these spellings at your home.
Now I am going to speak dictation, so I am giving you time till 5 seconds to get ready with your pencil eraser and notebook. Your time start now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up.
Write dictation and today's date in your notebook. Write first word, mango. Mango. Write first, mango. Next word, door. Door. After mango, you will write door. Next word, river. Children, after door, you will write river. River. Now next word, lion. Write first, lion. After lion, you will write shark. Shark. Write first, shark. So I hope everyone must have written the dictation in their notebooks. After writing dictation, you will match all your words with these words that you have written right or wrong.
Now it's time for homework. What do you have to do in homework? Tick the flower's name. Children, here are some words from which you have to find the names of the flowers and tick them. This is your homework. You have to do this work by yourself. Children, thank you so much. Happy learning. Bye bye children.